So on problem number 4, we start first with an empty chart, of course, and we're going to compute average total cost and marginal cost. We know how to do this. We've done this previously. If you're still confused on these things, take a look back at some of the previous audio helps in this homework. Part A asks us where total revenue is maximized. Total revenue is defined as price times quantity, simple and pure. It's on page 492 in your textbook. And so when you go across and you figure out how much revenue is generated at each of these output points, you're just looking for the place where revenue is maximized. Keep in mind that revenue is how much money comes in from the sale of the good or service. It has nothing to do with costs, at least not yet. Part B asks us where average total cost is minimized. Easy for us to find. We've already calculated the average total cost at all the output levels. Just look for the minimum. Part C asks us where profit per unit is maximized. Keeping in mind that when we say things like average total cost, that is equal to cost per unit, total cost per unit. And likewise, average revenue is equal to total revenue per unit. And so profit is defined as revenue minus cost. So if we wanted to find profit per unit, we would look at average revenue divided by average cost. Not divided by, but average revenue minus average cost. And that would give us profit per unit. And as we calculate those across, we can easily find where the profit per unit is the greatest. Part D asks us this question kind of in the opposite. This asks for total profit. Total profit is simply total revenue minus total cost. Calculate it for all the output levels and find the one where it's the lowest. It is also the place where, according to our profit maximization rule, marginal cost equals marginal revenue.